Chiegni kendo kaunti ma Siaya koriwore kod kauntis mamoko dhialo odiechieng' rabo yunga kama rowere nyome gigo ma ginyalo tiyo godo ka gipimo kute mag Ayaki gin giwegi. Kolose e kinde nyasino manobagie kar tiegruok ma Siaya Institute of Technology, coordinator mar kedo gi tuo mar Ayaki e kaunti ma Siaya Zilpa Imbuye nojiwo rowere mondo oti kod rabo yunga kaka achiel kuom yore mag geng'o kendo duoko chien landruok mag kute mag Ayaki. Apisa mar Abot Rapid Diagnostic Josephat Kabiro bende nomedo siro paro mar rowere tiyo gi gige pimo kute mag Ayaki go pimruok ka gin kaluwore ni landruok mag kute mag Ayaki e kaunti ma Siaya ni malo.
As we are all aware, condom is one of the preventive methods for HIV and unintended pregnancies. We normally call it a dual protection because it's used both for preventing STIs and also for preventing unintended pregnancies. So as Siaya County, we really want to celebrate this day because we are among the high HIV burden counties of prevalence of 9.8%.
Comes as procured over 300,000 kits, which will be made available in our local pharmacies. And if they were to have sex, they should use condom for prevention. And again, they should check themselves using this HIV self-test. We have a blood-based, which is more accurate, and they are cost-effective.
In our school, we have dispensers that we do collect our condoms, and also their counseling, that is the guidance and counseling department, which normally offer the counseling for the students within the institution. And being that we are in a HIV prevalent country, I would advise the youths so that they practice safe sex, that is to condomize.